What's up, YouTube? This is my first video on the channel, so please be patient with me. It's been a very long time since I tried to edit anything, but I figured I'd start with what's happening right now. There's an overlay of my security cameras delivering the new Boss Sportsman 1100 grill off of my terrible driveway into my garage. Anyway, this is going to be a weird semi-review of the Boss 1100. Now it's delivered. Let's hear some cool music to whatever I remembered to film or take photos of. So we're doing the burn off. It's set at 400. It's keeping 400 pretty steady. We'll do this just quickly because, you know, whatever. Definitely going to be doing steak on that. This is much more difficult with just one hand free. Oh baby. Okay, we just had to add more pellets to this, even though it had stuff in there, because it doesn't drain well. It just went straight to the auger, and there's a huge hole down there, which wasn't the best. So I'm just going to kind of do that to get it started, and note it in the future. It's just got to be a little bit more full. Works a lot differently than the vertical smoker does. Alright, so it smells amazing. The burn off is done with this guy now. So we can also see that fire pot going, and it's much better than it did before. I'm just going to close it because I'm trying to crank up the heat now. Got it to 475 because we're going to heat up those grates to do the steak. So the steaks have been seasoned with a little bit of oil. There's cardamom and then garlic with a little bit of the extra salt that's put onto there. This is set to 475, but it's currently 415 inside there. See, it's starting to dig a hole. And that was the problem we were talking about before, so I'm just going to move that into there. But basically, it should be good now, so I'm just going to close that. We kind of re-seasoned it a bit, so I'm going to go ahead and the slap goes on for about 2 or 3 minutes each side, rotate it a bit, check it out, see how we're done. Okay, so it's time to rotate these. So what we do, really should be paying attention. Really grab that, kind of give it a quarter turn there, quarter turn like that. What I like to do is try to get the nice spot where the grill hasn't touched before afterwards, just so that way they get nice and hot still on that side and look at the marks. So for a first try, the grill marks aren't perfect on these, but you can see the meat just pulling apart from that salt air brine that we were doing earlier when it was drying out.